it's me, John, and today I'm going to show you how to do makeup. And before we get started, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that like bell. Don't forget to give me a very, very, very big thumbs up. So I'm your first YouTuber. I'm just starting to be in YouTube. My mom is also in YouTube too. Got it? Ella. Okay, let's start. Can we start now?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, so first I'm going to use my brush and open this.
You show it right here because the camera is right there. Okay?
Look, it's so cute. Now I'm going to do it. Can you open it?
Yes, okay.
I might break it. I don't know how to open it.
That's good. You need mommy's help.
Hello.
Alright, okay. So here you go.
Thank you.
That's your colors.
Color. There's white, gray, purple, pink,
You show it to
green. Is this gray again?
Yes.
And another. Is that purple?
Another shade of purple, something
Another
like that.
shade of purple.
And then you have pink, something.
Excuse me, makeup. Why should I say excuse me to my makeup?
So what are you going to do first?
So I'm going to do powder first on my cheeks. This is for the cheeks.
Powder. I'll give you.
You can use powder, please. Is it for this? Okay.
So first, you show it to the camera. This is what you're going to use.
I'm going to use
Johnson's and Johnson.
powder. So first is powder. Because it's so fast. Excuse me, the fan.
It's okay.
You don't want to waste the powder, so just add a little bit.
Good.
Alright, mommy, can
Huh?
you close it, please?
Okay.
I
Just put
have
it down there.
I have subscribers here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now you're going to put it. I don't really know how.
So look at the camera so you can fix your face.
Now, promise to fix your face. Don't
What? Too much.
too much. Okay?
Okay.
Now just follow me, and you can use any color when you're going to put the
eyeshadow.
eyeshadow and
Foundation.
foundation.
Oh no, it's called
The
blush.
blush.
Blush on.
You can use any color when you're going to do the eyeshadow and
Blush on.
blush on.
Mhm.
Okay. Wait, we just need a little bit more. Okay, look at this. So you will know. Wait. Just add a little bit. Just a little bit. I said that. Like this one. See? See it? Alright. Now put it on. Flip. There you just said play. You know, this is kind of fun. Now I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. Mommy, can I do the eyeshadow?
Yes.
Should I use the small ones?
Okay. Wait, I will get it.
Okay.
Be careful.
So
Tapon yung phone ko.
Mommy's going to do it. I just broke my neck. And never mind that one. That's not what you're going to say, okay? I'm still still a kid. I'm 6 years old. Oh. So don't forget, my name is Jhoune. And, subscribe. Thank you. So now I'm going to do the eyeshadow.
Okay. What color are you going to use?
I'm going to use the dark purple. I think I want. I like it. I like it. You also have to be careful. Oh my god.
Why? What is wrong?
Nothing. Can you see it, guys? Not here. Not here. Mommy, is it good?
First, you put here.
I
Oh,
did.
you More. I can't see.
Okay.
There's nothing.
So, guys, you have to put more. Because Mommy said...
Very good. Alright, I can see now.
Wait.
Ayos yan. Oh, naka. The other one. Oh, more here.
Oh. Ah!
What?
I
It's
see.
fine. It's okay. Just
Okay.
wipe it.
Can you give me tissue? This one.
Just wipe with your hands.
Don't wipe too many. Sometimes it's hard for me, guys. You want to pee on your pants? Pants? I said pants, not fans, okay? Don't pee at your fans. Is it okay? Hey, what are you doing? Mommy, is it okay?
Yes.
It's not good to
I
me.
like it. Why not?
Because it looks
Looks
so
good,
nice.
Joe. Looks good.
Next time, this is not going to be messy. Now, look. I don't like it. Okay. And never mind, I like it. Now we'll start with the lipstick. Be careful with the lipstick. Be really careful.
What are the others? $1.99. Oh, wow.
Always be careful with the lipstick.
Let me see. Can I borrow? Just a little bit.
Okay.
I need to see.
It's okay.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, yeah. It's not even my...
So what is your lipstick? What do you call your... What's that? What's your brand? What the... EB.
EB.
Ever... Bilena.
Bilena. Do I look good?
Did you put lipstick on?
Yes.
Ooh, he's so cute.
Now...
Can you eat? Yes, okay, go ahead.
Time for the eyebrow.
Okay.
I sound like a 4-year-old kid. Be careful. Oh my god, is this darker?
Okay, that's just one, I told you. And then you brush. That's enough. That's enough. Too much, baby.
Okay, the other side. I'm looking good today.
Careful. That's enough. Okay, so the last part.
So the
Going
last
down. Uh-oh.
part
Oh, okay.
going down.
That's good. That's enough. Wow. So pretty.
Next is we're going to do this, I think. So my eyebrows look messy today. This is kind of fun, guys. Be careful when you're doing this. I don't like.
Hi.
What if my classmates see me in YouTube?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
You're gonna laugh. They're going to laugh, but that is okay.
Now for the cheeks. I did not do that yet. I think I'm going to start with white and purple. White and purple. Now I'm going to do with the dark purple.
Don't be careful with this, huh? You're not supposed to drop it.
Just
Don't
put a little
stick
bit
the-
purple. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching my video. And I hope you like it. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Bye. And classmates, please subscribe it. Because if it's red, then it's not a subscribe. And when it's gray, then it's the subscribe. Okay? Alright. See you soon. Bye. Mommy.